Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute hair. I went through and I shingled the curls so it could be like very defined and have this very natural look. And this unit does come with natural kinky curly edges. I'm going to show you guys how I tamed them, how I plucked it, how I got it to look nice and natural like that. Like, look at that. And I really like the kinky edges on the units. The only thing is you just have to know how to tame them. I've seen people wearing them and they look a mess. It honestly is giving me 90s vibes. Like, it's giving me a 90s vibe. The highlights and all of that stuff, it's just, I'm loving it. Very easy to install, very low maintenance. So if you're a girl and you're looking for like low maintenance hair that looks good, you want to try out this one. So if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this hair, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so let's get started. I have a new wig grip. This got earrings. Wait a minute. Okay, so I got a new wig grip, and this one is like a wig grip cap. So it's actually a cap built in with the wig grip. I really like this one. I feel like it protects all of the hair. If you guys are interested in this wig grip, I will have it linked below. The wig we're using today is from Hermosa Hair. And inside, of course, you have your wig. And then they did send me some extra goodies. I have some lashes. We always love extra lashes. They sent me an invisible wig cap. And then we have our elastic edge band. So this is our beautiful unit. We're doing some curly color today, okay? And I really love this because it's highlights and it is like that nice natural ash tone that I love. And you guys, this unit includes natural baby hairs. As you guys can see, look at those natural edges. I'm really excited to see how, you know, they turn out with the style. And on the inside, it comes with an elastic band. It's kind of just like your standard lace frontal wig. The first thing I'm going to do is cut the lace from in back of the wig. I don't know why they put the lace in the back of the wigs. I've been wondering that for years. I guess this is for like if somebody wants to do some type of ponytail or something like that. So I went ahead and moved my hooks to the center little slot on the wig just so I can make my wig nice and secure on my head. And so we have on our unit, and now I'm just gonna go in and cut my lace. This is the first time I've had the edges be truly kinky. I really want to see how these are gonna look one style, because they are super kinky. Okay, so this is what the edges look like. Y'all, don't worry, it took me off guard a little bit too. I'm gonna wet them down a little bit first. So I just want the gel to kind of straighten the edges out a little bit, just so I can see how they look and see how much I need to you know, take off. Yeah, so if you're looking for like super kinky edges, this is for you. Yeah, so we definitely got to go in and pluck some of this just a bit, but we definitely need to take some out because it's like impossible to tame. And I'm just brushing as I go to see how much I need to keep or how much I need to take out. Okay. Look at them edges, y'all. It's crazy how much more natural the units look if they have these natural edges. I really like the natural edges on the units. Like, I think it's a game changer. It definitely makes your lace units look a lot more natural. It's really cute. I'm going to continue to pluck on this side, and then when we come back, we're going to define the hair. Okay, you guys, so we are done plucking, and remember this wig is going to be glueless. I'm not going to glue it down or anything like that. I am going to use some Got To Be gel just to tame the edges. The hairs are very curly, like my own real hair, and I need to use a strong product just to tame them so we can have that nice controlled look. You don't want it to look completely like an afro around your edges. You want it to, you know, still look tame, still look blended. And as you guys can see, you can still keep that really pretty natural look, and this gel just tames everything down nicely. So let me switch my baby hair because I've been doing it this way. See, I like these units with the kinky edges because I feel like it's easier to make look natural. Like, you don't have to do a whole lot to the wig. You don't even have to glue it to your head, which is, y'all, I always love a unit I don't have to glue down. Just play with the edges until you get your desired look. And now I'm just going to use my blow dryer to just dry everything in place. Okay, you guys, so our baby hairs are done. I'm going to take my EBN tinted lace spray. And I'm just going to spray a little bit, not a lot. And I use this because I want everything to look, you know, nice and natural. So now we're going to define the curls. So right now I'm just spraying it with water, and then I'm detangling. So we have everything detangled. Now I'm gonna go in with my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel. Oh, it smells so good. So we're just gonna start shingling the curls. I just want to scrunch it up, and I'm going to continue my little shingles. You just want to repeat the same process on the other side. Okay, you guys, so we finished shingling our hair. What I'm gonna do is take my diffuser and we're gonna dry everything on up. Yes, I know everything is looking crispy crunchy, but what you want to do is you want to take some oil. I'm using some argan and macadamia oil, and I'm going to use this to just go through the curls and kind of separate them. So you just want to take one and just, you know, separate it. We're going to break that crunchy cast so our hair is nice and soft. A little lift, a little shape. So we are done de-shingling the hair and putting a little oil on it and just fluffing it. I really love it, you guys. So much definition. It's definitely giving natural, and that's what I like about it. I love the edges. I just love how everything ties together, and it's such a pretty look, and it's so easy. I absolutely love the curls, and the highlights are the perfect little pop of oomph for the summer. If you guys are interested, all the details will be linked below. Again, this unit is from Hermosa Hair, and it's affordable. It fits my head really good. The hair is nice and soft, and it's like the perfect density. It's really cute, and the natural edges really set it off. Like, I love them. You just have to know how to tame them and how to pluck them, okay? Y'all think I look cute. Like, it's really giving like 90s cute. So again, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to thumb this up if you like it. Comment below, let me know what you think, and also subscribe, and make sure you guys hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video, because YouTube be tripping, okay? So I believe that's it, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.